Today we are reviewing the Colgate Triple Action Toothpaste. Now they say Colgate's one of the best toothpaste in the world. Well, let's put that to the test, my friends, today, and let's see how good this toothpaste is. This is the Triple Action Toothpaste. So triple action means three things. Well, what are the three things this does? Well, let's find out. Number one, cavity protection. Protection for your teeth. That sounds good to me. Number two, white teeth. Oh yes, everybody likes white teeth. Get them teeth sparkly pearly whites, my friends. Let's go. Number three, fresh breath. Oh yeah, everyone likes fresh breath. Let's have that fresh breath today, guys. Let's go. Colgate Triple Action Original Mint Toothpaste. Let's see what you've got, Colgate. Got my toothbrush ready aside of it. Nice and pink, good to go. Now they say, put a pea-size amount of toothpaste on your toothbrush. But why do that, my friends, when you can do just this? Get it on there, my friends. Don't be shy with the toothpaste. Get it on there. Get it all lathered in your mouth. Nice and lathered. Feeling good in the mouth, guys. Just like when you ask your friend for a chewing gum and he hands over one little chewing gum. Say to him, 2 for the chew, please. How can you chew with just one little chewing gum? You need 2 for the chew to make them big bubble gums. Just like that, my friends. You need a good amount of toothpaste on your brush. Right, my friends. They say, brush your teeth for 3 minutes for a good oral clean. Well, let's do that then, my friends. 3 minutes brushing the teeth up and down, left and right. Let's brush them sparkly teeth. Let's get the teeth white. Let's go, my friends. 3 minutes. And don't forget the tongue, guys, at the end. Make sure you brush the tongue. Let's go. 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Up and down, all around. Oh yeah, it's feeling good, guys. Feeling good. Feeling fresh. Up and down, all around. Oh yeah, this Colgate's good toothpaste, guys. Nice and fresh. Oh yeah. Very good, very good. Up and down, up and down. Oh yeah. Behind the teeth as well, guys. All around, up and down. Nice and soft, not too hard. Don't want to ruin the gums. Nice and soft, guys. Oh yeah. All around. A little bit more. Once you're done, spit it out. Wash it all off, my friends. Wash your mouth, wash your tongue, wash your mouth out, clean your mouth. And you're good to go. I have to say, my teeth are feeling good. My breath is fresh. My teeth are feeling silky smooth. I have to say, the Colgate has lived up to its promise and it's come out to be a good toothpaste, my friends. The Triple Action Colgate, I have to say, it's not let us down. It does the job, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. That's the Colgate Triple Action, guys. Get out there and brush your teeth with the Colgates. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.